I finally got a trim after 7 months. I can't believe it took me that long to cut my hair. But I got a little trim, and today we are going to style my new haircut. Today I used Redken products in the shower, and I'm actually going to be using some products to prep my hair before my blowout, also from Redken. And today's video is sponsored by Redken. Oh my god, how exciting it is to work with this brand. I absolutely love their products. Their products are very good quality and work super well on my curly hair. So very excited to be working with them today in this video. I actually used their shampoo and conditioner in the shower. So I used the Redken All Soft shampoo in the shower first. And my hair really needed this shampoo today because I don't know if you guys can see. Guys, it's snowing so much, and it is so cold lately, so cold. So my hair needed some hydration, and these products work super well for that. My hair has been so dry lately, especially with this weather. Like, my hair needed these products today. So I used the shampoo in the shower. This has argan oil, which is very moisturizing, and as you can see, I only used a little tiny bit of this on my hair. I actually washed my hair twice. You guys will see. With just the shampoo, I could notice a huge difference in softness on my hair. After the shampoo, of course, I used the conditioner, also from the same line. So this is the All Soft line. This also has argan oil, and this left my hair so soft. Like, this conditioner, you only need a little bit of this to be able to detangle your curly hair super well. And right now, my hair feels incredible, and I mean, you can see how shiny it looks after using these products in the shower. Now let's move on to my favorite part of any blowout routine, prepping my hair. So I love this prepping spray from Redken. This is an amazing one to have in your collection. This is the One United. This is an all-in-one multi-benefit treatment. So some of the benefits that you get from this one bottle, just one product, that's all you need to prep your hair before your blowout. This will of course protect your hair from heat. This is going to nourish, condition. It's going to help control frizz. It's going to control flyaways, make blow drying easier. It can also be a style refresher, so if you wanted to use this on day 2, day 3, just to freshen up your blowout, you can totally use this as well. So I'm going to spray some of this to the bottom sections. This smells amazing. It smells really good. So now I'm going to detangle my hair, and already, I mean, this helps detangle my hair super well, and it feels really nice. Like, I can already feel my hair, and it feels so soft. I also totally recommend doing the online quiz on the Redken website. I'm going to be linking it down below in the description box as well. They're just going to ask you a couple of very basic questions about your hair and your hair texture concerns, and this quiz is going to match you to the perfect hair products for you and what you need for your hair care routine. And yeah, these are the products that I got, and of course I got the One United leave-in conditioner. And the hair tool that I'm going to use to blow out my hair, which is a hair tool that I have been using a lot lately, is the Dyson Airwrap with the big round brush attachment. You guys, I have been obsessed with this hair tool. I have been using it so much lately. Like, whenever I do a blowout, most of the time I reach for this hair tool because it's very easy to use. The round brush is very big, and it's like the perfect size for my hair length, for my hair texture as well. So yeah, I really do like this routine. I love these products. I feel like the shampoo and conditioner works super well on curly hair, especially now in the winter. So if your hair is super dry, definitely try these out. They are so worth it. And then this all-in-one prepping spray, the One United, it is literally all you need. Like, this is the only product that you need for a smooth blowout. It protects, it helps manage your hair, it adds a lot of shine to your hair, helps control frizz. It really does have so many benefits. Okay guys, I am done blowing out my hair. It only took me 34 minutes to do all my hair with the Dyson Airwrap large round brush attachment. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of extra heat to my hair, just to make my roots a little tiny bit more smooth, and to give my hair a little bit more of bounce, to just really give it that more like bouncy blowout look. So I'm going to use the GHD Rise, as this is a heated round brush. I really like this one. So with this hair tool, it does take a little bit of time to get used to it because, as you can see, the bristles are very short, so the hair does kind of fall very easily. So you have to like bring the hair back, and then if you can, hold the section even better, and then start to bring the hair down and curl the ends. But I really love the results that I get with this hair tool. I'll be linking it down below. I mean, look at that. It's starting to look a lot better in my opinion. I just feel like this gives it a nice, like, different last touch. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is the first time that I blow out my own hair after my haircut, and it was so easy to blow out. It feels amazing. The ends feel and look way better. I really liked the products that I used in the shower, the Redken All Soft. You guys definitely need to check this out. My hair feels incredible, and you can see all the shine. I mean, I'm gonna put a before and after in here so you guys can see the difference. I mean, my hair texture is naturally very curly, very thick, very frizzy, and these products left my hair extremely smooth, very shiny. And yeah, I just really like the results. Yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to purchase any of these products or tools, I'm going to be linking everything down below in the description box of this video. Thank you again, Redken, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.